Diego. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood warning for to 0.5 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.25 to 0.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Temecula, San Clemente, Camp Pendleton, Fallbrook, Dana Point, Marietta, Camp Pendleton North, San Onofre, Ortega Highway and Camp Pendleton South. This includes the following streams and drainages: Sandia Canyon, Prima District of Canada, Robert Creek, Delaware Loves Creek, Santa Margarita River, San Juan Creek, Lion Canyon, Las Volgas Canyon, Paz Canyon, Louisiana, Jardine Canyon, Segunda District of California, Nada, Cristanitos Creek, Pedro Delaware, Lumber Canyon, Devil Canyon, Pono Canyon, Lion Canyon, Lucas Canyon, Pilgrim Creek, Cold Spring Canyon, Gabino Canyon, French Canyon, San Mateo Canyon, Pacific Ocean, Rainbow Creek, Nickel Canyon, San Luis Rey River, Newton Canyon, Windmill Canyon,